Hey, this is Professor Mayers. I've received a number of inquiries regarding uploading homework, particularly if some of you have not had to do this before. I want to give you just a short tutorial on how to do so. It's very easy. Once you see it, it'll be pretty straightforward for you to all do. First and foremost, know that all the homework for any given week is in the weekly homework module right there. If it's not in that module, you are not responsible for it. The very first thing you should do each week is step one is you're going to go into that weekly module to find the homework. Now, as you can see by what's on the screen here, I have done so. This is one of my courses. A couple of the others are my marketing courses set up a little bit differently, but you're going to want to, once you're in the tab for weekly modules, you're going to want to find where this week's module is, and you find that via the syllabus. So locate this week's homework syllabus, in which module it's in, and then you click on that link. Once you click on that link, you're going to see a pane that's going to look like this. The title is up here at the top of that given module or week. Your reading material is first, and then this, and understand that this instruction is for assignments. This is not for discussion boards. That's going to be a little bit different. But when your assignment requires you to upload a file, you would do it this way. And first of all, here, for example, you can see item 3 says that is the assignment. It's a PowerPoint presentation in this case that's due for that week. You click on that link right there. That is then going to take you to a page that's going to look like this. This is going to give you more information on the assignment itself. The first thing you'll see here, and this you click on when you're ready to complete it and upload it. You're going to see a box here that's going to tell you when that is due, first of all. Secondly, it's also going to tell you how many points it's worth. Now, if you scroll down on that page, you're going to see a little bit further, you're going to see another button there. That button there says Browse My Computer. When you've done your presentation or assignment to answer that particular question, you save it onto your computer. You then, when you go to get to that point there, you scroll down in the assignment after you've clicked on it, you hit Browse on your computer, and you locate the file in your computer to upload it. Now, what's going to be very clear, you don't want to hit that button there. That's for that's to text, to submit text. That's not the one you use. So you hit that button where it's highlighted by number 6, browse your computer, locate the file, attach it to that assignment, and then when you see that it's attached, hit the button below number 8 that says Submit. That will automatically take your file, wherever it is, and upload it into the right spot. Then it's in Blackboard. Now, you are going to get from that a note that says submitted, so you'll have a record of that having been done. Now, a couple keys to do this. So that's all you need to do. That's as simple as it is. A couple keys to do. One is just a reminder, when you send me an email on any topic, it's got to include the course and the section. So, for example, for one of the courses this semester, it would be the course numbers Marketing 100 and which section you're in. That saves me a lot of time having to track down which course that you're in. I've got over 100 students this summer. I remember names, but it's going to save me a lot of time if I can know which course you're in. Secondly, I want to be very clear. You are responsible for uploading the homework information. Now, I can tell you in doing so correctly, if it is not uploaded correctly, if an exception has to be made, I want to let you know that it's going to increase the response time, and it's going to put it at the back of the line in terms of me grading homework. So if there is some kind of technical difficulty, it is just going to increase the time to get it graded, and as I said, it will go to the back. And if you submit the wrong file, every once in a while that'll happen, just send me an email, and what I will do is I will clear the attempt for you. As I said, you're going to get a confirmation saying it's been submitted. That is your record. As long as it's in there, I will grade it. And that's also how I'm going to measure timeliness, not when I grade it, but when you submit it. So keep that in mind. If it's there, I will get to it eventually. Last but not least, just keep in mind that there are occasionally going to be some file compatibility issues. They are rare, but they do happen, If something like that happens, we'll have to work out an exception. All right? Let me know if you have any questions. Hope that helps.